Welcome, my name is Balazs and we have here a phone that charges from 0 to 100 in only 9 minutes. It's called the Realme GT3. Let's check it out in a real quick hands-on. And here we have it, the fastest charging phone ever. In only 9 minutes we go from 0 to 100, and if you want to go from 0% to 20% charging, which gives you enough power for doing half a day some things, it only takes 1 minute and 20 seconds. It's just crazy. So let's just take the white one here. The two colors you have seen that are available are the white and the black one. I have it here with the cable, so you can actually see the extra feature here with the glowing LED. But we have a glass background here, actually with more glass, and then even more glass, and with the 3 cameras that are inside. I'm telling you more about that in a second. And we have, of course, on the bottom USB-C for fast charging, and from on both the back are actually matte. It feels amazing. There's no fingerprints on the whole device, and it's quite light. I was surprised how really light this phone is, and still how big the battery is, and the hardware quite good also in the device. Because let's go to the settings and you will see right away when I go to the about device area, it's the second fastest Snapdragon processor inside here. That's why we have a really good price of $649 for 128 gigs of internal storage and 8 gigs of RAM. There's a stronger version, of course, for a little bit more money, but you don't actually need that. You will still get the fastest charging ever and all the same cameras and other systems here in the device, like the 58 and 2 megapixel back camera and 16 megapixel front camera. So let's start with the front camera, which is quite good. Let me cover here the light, and you can see this is perfectly enough for doing amazing TikTok videos in full HD. But if I go to the back camera, you can already see it's reacting quite quickly here with the different macro and zoom and telephoto features. I'm not sure. Yeah, as you can see, with the Android 13, everything is going rapidly, and you can also, if you go to video, even record in 4K with up to 60 frames, so just 30 frames. That's also totally enough. You can shoot your own whole Spielberg movie if you want to with this device. So amazing here, the first glance at this phone with the camera, the hardware, and let's go to that blinking light in the back. So this is an LED light that's not just fun, it can tell you when you have to charge the phone. It's charging right now, that's why it's breathing. But if I go here into the settings and look for the light, then under breathing light we can set up that we get only notifications in a specified time. When incoming calls come, for certain apps we can have certain notifications, and then also we can set up the light color. Here you can see that, which color I want. I want maybe orange, and the breathing and the speed is a little bit faster, then it changes to orange and it's a little bit faster, which is looking quite cool. You can turn it off, you can say you want to twinkle, and then you have your twinkling light in the back with multiple colors, obviously, that are close to orange because I've set it up for orange. But anyhow, this is the breathing light, and otherwise it's a 144 Hertz screen. So even faster than Samsung and most competitors with 144 Hertz. It's actually a gaming display, you could say. Here, high screen refresh rate, you can see it here, 144. That's totally crazy, and you can also feel it when you're using it. The Snapdragon processor is totally fast enough, even though it's just the second fastest. But that's why we have a $300 less price point than on a Xiaomi or an Honor, which is quite crazy. And this is what Realme does exactly right. Let's start the prices at a good point, and let's climb our way up. So there's nothing much else to say about this phone except check it out, buy it, try it, give it back if you don't like it. But this is a crazy claim that is actually true, but we will of course get one for review and then check it out for ourselves. And this was already with the brand new Realme GT3, amazing device with a real good price. So check it out soon on my channel with a full review, unboxing and everything else. And I hope you'll leave a subscription also here. So see you soon on TikTok, Instagram and all my other channels here on Tech Video.